My name's David Sen,
I'm Ruben Lopez.
and our Buckdays Idea Challenge is a self-serve mechanic shop, a DIY shop. The DIY mechanic shop solves a couple common issues that we face. Many people don't have the ability, the space, the money, or the resources to work on their own vehicles.
Whether it's maintenance, modification, or whatever the customer wants, we're able to do it in this one-size-fits-all DIY mechanic shop.
The best part about this idea is that it's quick and easy to start up, improve, and expand upon. The business can use pre-existing buildings, land, warehouses, whatever it may be. It just needs to be a shell. From there, you can improve however you want.
Our line of business will have two sources of incomes. Our primary source of income will be renting out the workstations as well as storage space for customers. Our second source of income will be coming from our rental of our tools and the products and service that we might sell.
The best part about this opportunity is that it serves a niche market untapped so far in the coastal Bend region.
So let us be the first.